Good morning, everyone. My name is Parthos Maur, and today I am going to tell the story of the scholarship jacket. This story was written by Martha Salinas. Martha Salinas in this story tell us about her scholarship jacket journey. When when I was in class 8th and my age was 14, there was class. I was the class valedictorian. I was the class topper, and the second rank was Joan, which was the girl of school board's member. His father was the member of school board. After I saw my rank first in the board, I thought that I will get the scholarship jacket of my hard work of 8 years. Then I go to then after some days, when Martha was going in his PT period, uh, she was she lost her PT dress. Then she goes to her class and get her PT dress. Then in the office, in the teacher office, Mr. Boone and Mr. Smith, the history teacher, and Mr. Boone, the science teacher, were talking about Martha. Mr. Boone was tell that give the jacket to Joan. That if we will get the if we will give the jacket to Joan, we will come to our higher ranks in our teacher position. I can become a headmaster, and you can also become headmaster. But Mr. Smith refused to falsify the records. He tells to Boone that I will not falsify the records. Where Martha is straight of getting the scholarship jacket. Then, after listening that, Martha was very shocked. It seems to her like a cruel nightmare. She then after the school, she goes to home, cried, sad in a angry and sad way. She goes to home crying. Then after reaching home, then principal said him. Then after reaching home, she goes to her grandmother and tell my grandmother sees him and tell to Martha that why are you so sad. Martha tell her nothing and go to her bed. Then from the other day, the principal called him and told him that if you want the jacket, you have to pay $15. Then Martha told that why so. Martha think in her mind that why so. All the peoples, all the toppers of the schools, recent toppers, did not need to pay any $15, but why I am. Then Martha goes to her home and tell to her grandmother that where is grandfather. She told him that he is in garden. Then she goes to her grandfather, tell her that grandfather gave me $15 so that I can take my scholarship jacket. Then grandpa said that why? If a scholarship jacket means the hard work of 8 years, then why we need to pay for it? Tell your principal that I refuse to pay. Then Martha become more sad than this day. She goes to her principal and said that grandfather refused to pay for the scholarship jacket. Then the principal thought that she must and Joan said that give the jacket to Joan. Then sorry, Then Martha said that give the jacket to Joanne. Then principal think that why uh, why she did not pay. Then she tell her about what her grandfather said. Then it must have struck in his principal's mind that they must know what was going on. Then he feels very sad and shamed and uh, pretty guilt for his what they have tried to done. He was also pride the for the quiet dignity of Martha. Then I tell Martha that she did not hiring and to pay for jacket. They will give it to her. Then the story ended. Thank you.